Standard First, English Medium, Subject Mathematics. Lesson number 18. Increasing Decreasing Order. Children, let us say 1 to 9 numbers with counting on finger. Today, we learn increasing and decreasing order. Observe carefully in your textbook. Write a number below the picture. Make a tower of given number of blocks. Firstly, block of number 1, then block of number 2, then block of number 3, block of number 4, block of number 5, block of number 6, block of number 7, block of number 8, block of number 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have learned the numbers from 1 to 9 in increasing order. It means that from small to big is increasing order. We can write this number in a reverse or decreasing order or from big to small. Observe the numbers written in decreasing order. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. From small to big persons in our home is increasing order. And from big to small person in home is decreasing order. From grandfather, grandmother, father, mother and I. For example, write a number in increasing and decreasing order.